Could you be the one standing in the way of your own wealth? It might sound surprising, but self-sabotage is one of the biggest obstacles to financial success, and most people don't even realize they're doing it. Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow to help you unlock your financial potential. In today's video, we're going to uncover the common ways people sabotage their own wealth, and more importantly, how you can stop these destructive habits and start building the financial future you deserve. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to identify and overcome self-sabotage, so you can finally step into the wealth and abundance that's waiting for you. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, stay tuned. Common signs of wealth sabotage. Let's start by identifying the signs of wealth sabotage. These behaviors might seem harmless, but they can seriously undermine your financial success. Do you find yourself procrastinating on important financial decisions, like investing or saving for the future? Or maybe you struggle with fear of failure, avoiding opportunities because you're worried about making mistakes. Negative self-talk is another big one. Telling yourself you're not good enough, or that wealth is only for the lucky few. And then there's impulsive spending, buying things you don't need because it feels good in the moment, but regretting it later when it derails your financial goals. These behaviors create a cycle of self-sabotage that keeps you stuck, unable to move forward and achieve the wealth you desire. The first step to breaking free is recognizing these patterns in your own life. The psychology behind wealth sabotage. So, why do we sabotage our own wealth? The answer often lies deep within our psychology. Many of these behaviors stem from limiting beliefs about money, beliefs that may have been ingrained in us from a young age. Perhaps you grew up hearing that money is the root of all evil, or that only the lucky few can ever become rich. These ideas take root in our subconscious and shape the way we think about and interact with money, often without us even realizing it. Fear of success is another powerful factor. As strange as it sounds, some people are unconsciously afraid of what wealth might bring, whether it's increased responsibility, changes in relationships, or even the fear of losing it all. This fear can lead to actions that keep wealth at arm's length. Understanding these psychological roots is crucial, because once you're aware of them, you can begin to break the cycle and replace those limiting beliefs with ones that empower you to create the financial future you want. Strategies to overcome wealth sabotage. Now that we've uncovered the root causes of wealth sabotage, let's talk about how to overcome it. First, it's time to reprogram your mindset. Start by replacing those limiting beliefs with positive affirmations that reinforce your worthiness and ability to attract wealth. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good with money," try, "I am capable of managing and growing my wealth." Combine these affirmations with visualization. Imagine yourself living the life of financial abundance you desire, and feel the emotions that come with it. Next, focus on building healthy financial habits. Set clear, achievable financial goals and create a plan to reach them. This could include budgeting, automating your savings, or investing regularly. The key is to take consistent, small steps that move you closer to your financial goals. And don't forget the power of accountability. Find a financial partner or join a community where you can share your progress and stay motivated. Having someone to support you and hold you accountable can make all the difference in staying on track and avoiding the pitfalls of self-sabotage. The power of consistency and persistence. Consistency and persistence are your greatest allies in overcoming wealth sabotage and building the financial future you desire. It's not enough to just change your mindset once or set goals without follow-through. You need to be consistent in your actions, whether it's practicing daily affirmations, sticking to your budget, or making regular investments. These small, consistent efforts compound over time, leading to significant progress. And remember, persistence is key. There will be challenges along the way, and it's easy to fall back into old habits. But don't give up. Celebrate the small wins and recognize that each step forward, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to your goals. By staying consistent and persistent, you not only overcome self-sabotage, but you also create a solid foundation for lasting wealth and financial security. In today's video, we've explored how self-sabotage can be a hidden barrier to wealth and what you can do to overcome it. By identifying these destructive patterns, understanding their psychological roots, and taking consistent, positive action, you can break free from the cycle of sabotage and start building the financial future you deserve. Now it's time to take action. Reflect on your own behaviors. Are there any signs of self-sabotage holding you back? If so, commit to making a change today. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're taking steps to overcome wealth sabotage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wealth building tips. Thank you for watching Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow. Until next time, keep unlocking your financial potential.